It's tire changing season, and at Simming Tire Supply, we're here to make it easy for you. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can clone the sensor IDs of your already installed summer tires for your new winter set. In today's video, we're going to be using the TPMS4 made by Snap-on Tools, as well as the Simming Tire Supply One Direct dual frequency TPMS sensor. So in the main menu of our TPMS4, we are going to select Replace Sensor. From there, we're going to choose our make, model, and year, which in this case is a 2020 Chevy Silverado. From there, select the One Direct sensor, copy set of sensors, and then next to proceed. Then from here, let's get a reading of all four sensors. Once we get our fourth reading, it's time for the next step. Now that we've retrieved those original IDs, we can individually select each tire and copy that ID onto our new replacement set of sensors. And just like that, your One Direct dual frequency sensors are ready to be installed in your winter set of tires. Thanks so much for watching.